Dive 593 on the wreck of the Persier in Plymouth, England. This was a dive from the early May bank holiday in 2023 and was part of a Clidive trip. We had shot it near the boilers, so starting off having a look in there, you just saw Tompot Blenny disappear into a hole, and there we have some of the coal chutes for the boiler. Moving over some plate, we come across the second of the two boilers. A couple of bib swimming around there underneath the plates. We can see more in the distance there, as we had okay visibility for this dive. Panning back, you can see the large boiler. And then having a look in the chute for this one as well, where we can see several more bib. On the top of the boilers themselves, there's quite a lot of sea fans here. And we've also got a couple of female cuckoo wrasse there. And nearby I also found this male cuckoo wrasse. Here we have a spiny spider crab that's hanging upside down on some of the plating of the wreck. And then passing over part of the prop shaft, I think, here. There's still quite a lot of wreckage for the Persier, so there's plenty to see. There's a bib swimming, not a bib, sorry, a ballan wrasse. And there is some school of bib. As we come up to the twin boilers again, we swim in between them, and here we have a couple pollock. They seemed relatively relaxed as I approached them. Managed to get very close with the camera, just have them slowly swim away from me. It seemed quite chill overall. Having a look in some more of the holes in the boilers, looking for conger eels, but didn't find any at this point in the dive. They've got another pollock swimming over the boiler. And more parts of the prop shaft there. And now a spiny spider crab. Continuing along the wreck, more cuckoo wrasse and bib. You can see a fair amount of fish life on this wreck. There's also some fishing lines, so I think this does get fished as well. And making our way back to the boilers, having another look into the holes. Colour correction glitched out there for a second on the camera. Tried to fix it a bit in post. Suppose some more spiny spider crabs. Another Tompot Blenny there. That one was less scared and stayed out of its hole. Spiral fanworm. And then made another pass through the boilers. And again, this pollock seemed very calm. So I got another close-up shot of it. Overall dive time was about 29 minutes, because this wreck sits at a maximum depth of 30 meters.